Step to the car and take your hands out of your pockets. Take your hands out of your pockets and step up to my car. That's the second time I've asked you. You're making me nervous. Take your hands out of your pockets and step up to my car. Take your hands out of your pockets and... Don't resist. Now put your hands behind your back, or you're gonna get the taser. How much have you been drinking? Huh?
About 5 beers.
How old are you, man?
22.
Where's your ID?
In my wallet. Where the do you think it is? How the hell do you think I am?
You can chill out, or you can go to jail.